It's got the Stanley Control Grip Compound Action Diagonal Pliers. STHT74915. Now, got their old kind here. These kind have the extra pivot here. It's supposed to have increased cutting force. Well, let's check it out. Let's cut something. What do you say? Let's take it out of the package. And see if it really helps. First, I'm going to take my regular ones. Not too bad. Take these. It doesn't come open as much. That's a little easier. Nothing major. It's all good. Mainly because I got these on clearance. Not even $5. Yeah, I guess they really don't help all that much. I mean, then again, it was a piece of plastic. And the mouth doesn't come open as wide as the originals. But that looks kind of stupid, but it's all good. Maybe if I get a really thick piece of metal wire, I'll test them out again. Can't find anything. All I found was that plastic to test it out on. A little disappointing. That's okay. Just another item to add to the toolbox. Oh yeah, these 12-inch groove joint locking pliers. They were on clearance at the moment. So I got another set for $7. Do something with them. Anyway, thanks for watching.